New Zealand, widely considered to be one of the most beautiful countries on the planet. So today we're going to show you all of the most beautiful nature that this incredible country has to offer. Now, if you disagree with any of these places, then you're wrong. You're wrong, and you need to seriously reevaluate your life. Welcome, and thanks for coming. Welcome to Abel Tasman National Park. Guys, this is New Zealand's first national park. It is the fourth national park in the world. It's quite remote here on the northern part of the South Island. It is extremely well preserved. Guys, this is only water accessible. So you can take a water taxi, a water shuttle, or you can book a private tour. So the land here is incredibly virgin, it's pure, and it's just stunning. But hey, we already made a whole video about this place, so check it out right here. Queenstown, often referred to as the adventure capital of the world. All right, here we go. It's famous for year-round adrenaline activities like rock climbing, bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, just to name a few. Pretty much any sport you can play, indoor, outdoor, you can find it here. Queenstown is incredibly well developed and very touristy. It's often used as a jump off to explore all the surrounding areas, so pretty much anything you need you can find here. It's got a bougie element to it as well. It's got high-end stores like Gucci, Ralph Lauren, and Rolex. Here we are at the top, and the view ain't half bad, is it? So up here at the top, we've got a restaurant, bar, a little convenience store, gift shop, anything you want you can find up here. Well, as you can see, the views are spectacular, and I cannot recommend this enough. If you're in Queenstown, do yourself a favor, check the weather. Ideally, later in the day, get a little sunset action in. Come on up here and enjoy the splendor of Queenstown and the surrounding areas. This is just phenomenally beautiful. Here we are on the gorgeous Lake Pukaki. Behind us is the magnificent Mount Cook, also known as Aoraki, I think. Welcome to Mount Cook. We've been told that the best trail to view this park is the Hooker Valley Track. So let's go look for some hookers. All right, guys, we made it. Here we are behind us, Mount Cook. Almost 4,000 meters in elevation. This is a pretty serious mountain. Just a couple climbers yesterday died trying to summit. So we're going to just turn around, call that good. Welcome to Matarangi Beach. So guys, here we are on a Sunday in December. This is summer season. And look at the beach. It's empty. There's probably 15 or 20 people on the entire beach. Shell lovers will love this beach. The entire beach is filled with gorgeous shells. Take a look. Here we are in the ferry, going up to level 10, penthouse. All right, friends, here we are in Wellington, about to take the ferry to the South Island. Prepare for about a 3.5-hour journey. It's meant to be gorgeous. Welcome to the Banks Peninsula. And guess what? We already made a video about this incredible place. Check it out right here. Welcome to Nelson. Guys, this quaint, artistic town will have you falling in love with New Zealand, I guarantee it.